It's the night of Halloween. Ron and Amy decide to attend a Halloween party together. Something exciting might happen between them tonight, so make sure you keep watching. When they enter the building, they are instantly the center of attention. Their costumes are a hit. Later in the evening, a costume contest is held. The MC announces the winner.
Ladies and gentlemen, this year's winner goes to Batman and Catwoman. Come up on stage.
Just as they are getting the award, a fight starts between the two party members. Ron instantly takes action.
Just let it be. You'll get hurt.
Just wait here, Amy.
Ron jumps off the stage and into the crowd. Just as he is getting to the people fighting, a guy dressed up in a Superman costume punches him really hard in the face. Ron is knocked out on the floor. The next thing Ron sees is Amy looking down at him with a worried expression, her eyes full of tears.
Oh my gosh. Are you okay? I'm so worried about you.
Who are you?
What do you mean? You don't remember who I am? Oh my gosh. You must have hit your head really hard. Do you even know who you are?
I'm Batman.
Amy's eyes widen in surprise, and she finally realizes that he is joking. Amy doesn't respond. Instead, she grabs Ron and pulls him into a strong hug. They hold each other tightly for what feels like an eternity. As they finally pull back, their eyes meet. Amy closes her eyes. Ron kisses her. The party members who have gathered around them applaud, happy to see that Ron is okay and the couple is in love. After many hours spent working out, talking, and sharing, they have finally become a couple. At the same time, this is just the start of the challenges they will face as a couple.